We saw earlier how to work with input variables in Terraform. In this lecture, we will take an in-depth look to them. We have seen that we can declare an input variable using a variable block. So the variable keyword here will tell Terraform that this block is used to declare an input variable. The label after the variable keyword is the name given to the variable. This name will be used later to reference the variable's value when needed, for example, for setting some arguments in a resource block. And inside the variable block, we can assign a value to the variable using the default keyword. For example, here in the variables.tf file, we have declared two variables, one called file name and the other called content. We have assigned the value ./file.txt to the file name variable and the value welcome to Terraform to the content variable. Now this value can be accessed to set arguments in a resource block, and we can reference them as attributes of an object called var. For example, here we have set the file name argument of the local file resource using the file name variable and the content argument using the content variable that we have declared in the variables.tf file. Now, when we apply this configuration file, a file called file.txt will be created with the content welcome to Terraform inside it. Let's learn now about variable types in Terraform. Terraform supports a set of simple types such as string. Here, the value will be a sequence of characters representing some text such as server1, dev, welcome to Terraform, or whatever you want. We have also the type called number. The variable here will accept any numeric value. The number type can represent both whole numbers like 15 or 100 and fractional values such as 12.5 or 1.65. Finally, we have the type bool for Boolean values. Here, the value can be either true or false. If we don't specify the type of a variable or we set the type to any, the type of the variable will be any, and the variable will accept any value regardless of its type. Let's see now how we can set the type of a variable. We can set the type of a variable using the type argument in the variable block. For example, here in the variable.tf file, we have declared a variable called location and its type is string, a variable called replica, which will accept any numeric value since its type is number, a variable called is sensitive. The type here is bool, so only true or false would be accepted. And finally, for the variable called env, we didn't specify the type here. That's why any value will be accepted. In addition to the default and type arguments, there are some arguments that we can set when declaring a variable. We have the description argument, which is used to give more information for what this variable is used for. The nullable argument in a variable block controls whether the variable can accept the value null. If it is true, the null value will be accepted, otherwise the variable will never be null. You should know that the default value for nullable is true. We have also another argument, and it is called sensitive. Setting a variable as sensitive prevents Terraform from showing its value when we use this variable in our configuration. By default, the variable is not sensitive, but if you want to turn it as a sensitive data, all you have to do is to set sensitive to true. Finally, we will talk about the validation argument. This argument is a block that we can use in a variable block to add more restriction on the values that can be assigned to this variable. For example, here, the length of the string given to the content variable should be greater than 4. Otherwise, you will get an error telling you that the given value is invalid. So these are all the arguments of a variable block. You have to know that all of them are optional, and a variable can be declared simply like this without setting any argument. We will see what happens in such a case. So that's it for now. In the next lecture, we will learn about complex types in Terraform.